What's up, everybody? We're back in this with another Pokemon video, and today, before we get started, let's get rid of this Yu-Gi-Oh mat and put on our Rayquaza backdrop. Hell yeah, now we're in the spirit. So before we get into this, we're going to continue our luck because off camera I just opened up one of these fusion art packs that I got at Frankensons, and as you can see, whatever cards, but we did pull this VMAX, and this thing is so beautiful. Enough of all that. You guys came in here to see the Shining Fates Pikachu V box collection. I picked this up at Frankensons for $35 above retail, but it is just something I had to get. At the time, I didn't pick anything up for the day, and I was like, I at least need to pick something up. And this was calling my name. It is fairly inexpensive compared to some of the other stuff, and who knows, we might pull something good. So we got 4 Shining Fates booster packs. This big boy, Pikachu V, a code, and the Pikachu V promo card. This is a pretty sweet card, honestly. Hopefully it's this way. Perfect. There's your code. Starting off with a nice Eevee. Swimming for dear life. Got a Fire Energy. Floatzel. Dartrix. Ball Guy. Eevee. Gossifleur. Yanma. Snowem. And I'm probably, it's a wacky looking card. I'm probably murdering these names, but it is what it is. Cufant. Cute little elephant. We got Thwackey as our reverse holo. And Morpeko V. Wow, I was literally gonna buy this card there, and they wanted like 18 bucks for it, and I passed. I would have been so mad if I would have pulled this afterwards. I was feeling it. I got a lot of homework to do, and I was like, you know what? Before I do all that responsibility stuff, I should just open up some Japanese playing cards. Let's see if the luck's going to continue. I'm feeling it. Keep the pace up. We got a code for you. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Get rid of the Fire Energy again. Got another Ball Guy. Tropius. Rusted Shield. Another Snow. Normal Morpeko. Cancina. Choodle. Spinarak. Eldegoss. You gotta be kidding me, dude. There's no fucking way. We got the Ball Guy. What is a full art trainer, man? No way. This is ridiculous. We're keeping the momentum up. Before we continue, I'm just going to let you guys know, when I was at Frank & Sons, I was in line to buy this box, and the guy in front of me bought the box first, so I got the one behind that one. So fate has it, we're rolling now. There's another code. Three to the front. All right, Psychic Energy. Floatzel. Dartrix. Rotom. Trapinch. Shinx. Rowlet. Got another Eevee Swimming. Got another Marpico. Whoa. What is this? What the hell is this, man? I've never seen a card like this. This thing's crazy looking. I don't know if that is some crazy holographic nonsense. Wow. I'm guessing that was oh. That's insane. All right, we're keeping it going, keeping the momentum. There's your code. There's no way that this is gonna have anything good. There's no way. We got a Lightning Energy. We got Edgos, Luxio, a Ball Guy Trainer, can't see ya, Horsey, Cufant, Choodle, a Yanma. These are bangers. These are some bangers right here. Oh, another banger. That's one nice holographic right there. All in all, we got some bangers in this set. I looked them up. They're not worth that much, but that doesn't matter. These are some beautiful cards. I'm super stoked to have these added to my collection. Just because I'm still feeling good, we're going to go ahead and open up this Chillin' Rain. As a little bonus. Okay, we got Fire. Squirvet, Scorbunny, Diglett, Golett, Deerling. Oh, Reverse Trainer Caitlin, and Banty. All right, that's all we'll do for today, guys. I'll see you guys next time, and let's keep this thing going.